The first step is to access the file and choose Open. Select this bag image, click Open. Now take the quick selection tool and select the bag like this. Press Ctrl J to duplicate the selection to a separate layer. Open File and choose Place. Select this texture image, click Place. Hold on the Alt button and decrease the texture image like this. Press Enter. Right click on this layer and choose Create Clipping Mask. Go to Blend Modes and choose Multiply. Right click on Texture layer and choose Blending options. Now adjust the underlying layer option like this. Click OK. Let's see the final result.